I just hosted a website in my local network using my Android phone. So this is my web server running, and this is on my laptop. So any device on my local network can access this website. In next 5 minutes, I will show you how I have done it. So let's begin. So before starting any project, we have to update and upgrade our Termux. For that, we have to type pkg update and pkg update. So let's do that firstly. This is done for me. It was already upgraded. Now we have to type pkg install Node.js LTS and give -pi to install Node.js LTS. So hit enter. So it's installed for me. I have already installed anything, so it's not taking much time. For you also, it will take just few seconds. Okay. Once this is installed, then you have to install build essentials. Okay. And hit enter. Okay, these are also installed. Now our basic setup is this much only. I will try to leave everything in the description so that you can just copy and paste everything. For me also, I generally copy and paste to make these videos work faster. Okay. Now we will create a new folder. Let's create a folder as Node.js, Node projects we will get. So, okay. We will go inside that folder. Sorry, we have to mkdir. That was my mistake. Okay. Now we will go see Node projects. Okay. Here we will create our folder for our server and all. For that we will do mkdir my server, and then we will go inside that folder. Okay. Now we will create a file as server.js. To do that we have to type nano server.js. It will open our nano data. Now I'm going to just copy and paste the complete code to make things faster. Just command V, and yeah. So complete code for our basic server is here. Now to save this top code, you have to type Control X and then you have to type Y and hit enter. Okay. Now if I do ls, you can see our server.js is here. Okay. Now if you want to see whole code, you can also do that server.js. It will show the complete code. Now let's run this code. To run, you have to just type node and server.js. Let's go back. Yeah, you can see our code is running. If I open my browser and refresh this, okay, this is running now. Now let's make the some changes. Control C. It stopped. Now we will do again cat server.js. Sorry, nano server.js, and we will make some changes. Let's see if things get changed or not. So uh, we saw that this emoji is not working properly. We will remove this, and I will type serve on the Android phone, and here we will type using Termux. Okay. Then again we will do Control X and then Y. Okay. Now again let's do nano server dot sorry Control X Y. We will do node server.js. Again our server is running. Now let's open it in our browser. So initially it was served from my Android phone. Now let's refresh it. Serve for my Android phone using Termux. So in this way, you can like write code from your Termux itself and build a basic website. Okay, so that's all for this video. You just turn your phone into a server in your local network. If this was useful, smash like and subscribe. Drop in the comment and just let me know what you want to build with this. Thank you. Bye bye.